10% income tax bracket, which is just a small percentage change from the highest bracket that exists today. And then for the 11% tax bracket, what we're talking about is $400,000 individual salary, and then doubling that for couples. So really this tax will affect only 1% of individual income folks, or 3% of those that have two income taxes, or two salaries that will be taxed in their home income. So looking at this bill, in 1991, Pete Wilson realized in order to temporarily, and this is a temporary bill, it'll only last for 5 years, temporarily enacted a revenue increase that helped get the state of California back on track and back on its feet again during that very difficult time. So what we're talking about here as well is a temporary tax that'll look at these very same issues. In fact, this is even less restrictive than the Pete Wilson tax, and I think its impact, though, will be the same, getting California back on track.